Hi guys, I'm excited to shoot this video because what I'm going to show you is how you can create a money-making TikTok video that you can upload to TikTok and Pinterest that is going to earn you commissions. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you don't like creating product review videos, say for ClickBank products and the like, but you want a tool that can help you create product review videos in literally 5 to 10 minutes, and stay and watch this video because invideo AI has blown my mind. I've been a member of this now for about, 2 weeks. I've created loads of videos and I'm really impressed, and I'm going to walk you through how you do it. So let's crack on with the video. So I've logged into invideo AI. Also, if you like this video, why not like and why not subscribe? It just helps reach more people so it can help people. So why not doing that? Yeah. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video for TikTok. So this is what you're faced with, or this is the screen. So I'm going to keep English as language is English. You can use a male voice. Just going to add subtitles. Watermark, you can add a watermark if you want. I'm just going to leave it off. iStock as needed. I'm going to have audio, best audio available. So I'm just going to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create and explain a video for the top selling product on ClickBank called JavaBurn. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it to my TikTok and Pinterest account. Also, just as an A-side, if you're not using Pinterest to promote products as an affiliate, you're missing out because virtually very few affiliates do it. Just a little tip there. So let's crack on. So I'm going to create and explain a video about JavaBurn. So I'm just going to do a prompt here. Please bear with me. I'm doing this completely off the fly. If you want to skip to the next bit where I've done this, feel free, but I'm just going to write the script. So all you need to do is type a little script or prompt in here. So create video. Yeah, if you don't know, JavaBurn is a hottest selling weight loss product at the moment on ClickBank. It's red hot. I think the sort of monthly view or monthly searches on it in Google is 33,000. So yeah, lots of money to be made from this product. Yeah, there's a heap of competition, but you can still get a piece of your pie. So if you're an affiliate, yeah, might be worth looking at that on ClickBank. But, I'm going to say create a 30-second video about Java that turns your morning coffee into fat burning soup. To be quite honest, I should have prepared a script before I start the video, but I'm literally doing this on the fly so you can see how it all works. Nearly there. There we go. That is all done. So just check everything's okay. Any voice actually. I have clear American voice. Right, there we go. So generate video. So, okay, this video's been running for 5 minutes. Do apologise if it's a bit long, but I want to show you in real time how cool this is. So it is. There we go. We'll do coffee lovers, bright. So we'll do inspirational. It's for TikTok. Yeah, let's go for that. So now it's creating the video. It's only 30 seconds. It shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. As you can see, this is really easy. So yeah, it's probably taken me, I know the video is now rolling at 6 minutes, but it's taken me probably half that to actually create the video. And like I say, I'm going to upload this video to TikTok and Pinterest because they're both fairly underutilized platforms for affiliates. But I can tell you there's a lot of affiliates on there making a lot of money, especially promoting, you know, health and weight loss products, and also other products as well, not just health and weight loss, but health and weight loss is probably one of the biggest niches. So we're getting there. This should be done in about a minute or two. Yeah, I'll just, whilst videos download, I'll just talk a bit more. So yeah, I've been using invideo AI for a couple of weeks now. I've probably created, about 20 odd videos with it. And yeah, I was very skeptical before, I started using this app, because most of these AI tools, they promise a lot but under-deliver. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this tool. I was blown away, because the production quality is really top notch. And for what you pay for this app, I think I'm paying $20, $25 a month. You only need a couple of, so the video is done. So I'm just going to click download, click continue. So yeah, now the video is going to download. So yeah, so for $25 to $20 a month, you only need one commission to pay for itself. And if you're using this tool to create TikTok and Pinterest videos, but also you can use it for YouTube if you want a faceless YouTube channel to promote affiliate products, this tool is going to pay for itself many, many times over. So it's just downloading to my computer now. Once it's done that, I'll play it so you can basically get a glimpse of what it looks like. So yeah, very, very impressed with this tool. So it is finished downloading. Let's see if it plays. Here we go.
Turn it into a fat-burning super coffee with Java Burn instead. Java Burn is packed with natural superfoods that boost your metabolism and turn your mitochondria into a fat-burning furnace. Imagine burning fat while sipping your favorite morning brew. Why not give Java Burn a try today and supercharge your coffee? Learn more by clicking the link in the bio or pin. Your morning routine just got a whole lot hotter.
There you go. Very, very impressive. Very impressive. So what's the name of the file? Okay, let's see if I can find it. So I'm in my TikTok account. Let's upload, download. Go, that's the one. Open that. So yeah, this is how you upload videos to TikTok. So yeah, I'm just uploading it. So yeah, and the thing is, once you need to upload, if you're going to use TikTok for affiliate marketing, you probably need to upload 2 to 3 videos a day and be consistent, because the more videos you upload, the more, TikTok helps your account promote your videos in the algorithm. And once a video goes viral, you can make, potentially a couple of $100 a day, which should be pretty nice. Turn morning coffee into super with Java. Link in bio. So that's all I'm going to put in the description. Just bear with me a moment. I'm just going to put my tags in. Just need to put the microphone down. There we go. So I've put, you need, when you upload a video to TikTok, you need to put your hashtags in. So you tell TikTok, you know, which audience you want to go after. I'm going to click everyone, post. That's how easy it is to upload a video to TikTok. I've got a fairly new TikTok account. I'm just growing it. I'm testing at the moment. So these are all the videos I've uploaded. For some unknown reason, it only does me, but click everyone. That's done. That's uploaded. And TikTok will now pick that up. Now I'm going to do the same for Pinterest. Pinterest is a little bit of a gold mine. Downloads. There we go. That's the one I want. So Pinterest, virtually very few affiliates use Pinterest. What I'm going to do is going to put a little headline on there. I'm going to change the color. So I hope if you're enjoying this video, why not like the video and subscribe? Just helps the video out, and just let me know if you're enjoying it. I know this is a product review video. Most product review videos suck because they're a bit salesy, but I'm trying to add value by actually showing what to do with these videos if you're an affiliate. So I'm just going to put a headline here. 1 minute. Yeah, so once you've uploaded the video, you've got to basically put a title. So the title is really important because we're going to use Pinterest SEO to basically rank for what we want. Obviously, I'm going to target the weight loss niche. So I'm just going to put I'm holding the microphone with one hand. So I'm going to put it down whilst I fill it all in, and then I'll come back to you. But you can watch along. So yeah, this is how you make money with Pinterest, guys. Nearly there, guys. I'm just filling it all in. But this is how you upload a pin for affiliate marketing, basically. So what I'm going to do now, I've added my landing page, I'm just going to put my tags in and I'll be with you in a second. There we go, guys. I'm done. That's how you upload a pin. So yeah, it is ready to publish. Nearly there. So yeah, once this is uploaded, it's out. So in the space of 16 minutes, I've logged into invideo AI. I've created a video. I've uploaded it to 2 different platforms. And probably the most exciting one and underused one is Pinterest, because you can use Pinterest SEO to basically get people to buy the affiliate products you're promoting. There's mostly women on Pinterest, by the way. So yeah, big market for weight loss products. So I mean, something like Java Burn or Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic would be a good one to promote. And it's all been done with invideo AI. So if you want to give invideo AI a go and start uploading videos to TikTok, Pinterest and YouTube like I've just shown you, I'll leave a link down in the comments and description below. I do believe it's $20 to $25 a month if you get the pay plan. I do believe it's a free plan, but there's obviously limitations. So my advice, get the pay plan and give it a whirl for 30 days and see if you like it and see if you get any results. Obviously, if you make a purchase, I do get a commission, but it just helps me to create these videos for you that I hope you find useful. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, want to subscribe, want to try invideo AI and just do what I've just shown you, link in the description below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.